of us are going to have to stay to wait for the third bus to come. So they can have lunch.
Whoa, it's Peters again.
If we can't get contact, this is
I'm so thirsty. I didn't bring water with this.
internet keeps kicking in and out.
Yeah, we were told to bring water.
We were told not to bring water and there's no water.
No, there's water underneath.
We don't stop.
So helpful.
Yeah, he wants to get out of the bathroom.
We can't get out. No. We have to. We're not stopping in the bathroom.
We don't want to get out.
Guys, when we get to the Lions, we can maybe sleep.
I'm trying to just continue to pour it in there.
Gotta tell you this kid's still around. Who wants a trout to South Africa? Those trouts to South Africa. Put in my bags.
Guys, look what we're about to get to. Guys, we are heading to the
Oh my gosh, guys, we have the elephants coming up on our right. The elephants. These are the Indian elephants. We are an endangered species to the city of Brooklyn.
How do you know? Because the African elephant is more grey and massive.
And they have a horn, no?
You can just think about how they look.
One Indian elephant is tiny.
I'm pretty sure that is it.
They're very small, they're not very big. Well, I would imagine elephants to be a lot bigger. These are very small.
There's two kinds of elephants.
I realize these are small.
These are Indian elephants. African elephants are massive.
These are small. These elephants are small.
So in the Latin, what do you know?
I'm fairly certain. There's a way to check, hold on.
There's probably a sign of this. Are they trainable elephants?
These? Yeah, probably.
I think they have the Gemara says that you can dream of anything. The only thing you cannot dream of is an elephant going through the needle hole. Either the needle has to get bigger or the elephant has to get
And I think it could be they cut it out so people don't know that.
What's that? Is that one?
Did you know, according to
And those rhinos over there for sure.
Whoa, look at the zebra.
according to the tour guide we had, they said that zebras are black. Let me tell you why. Because he said if you look at the back of the front of the knee, with no fur, it's black.
Discuss.
Look under the belly. Yeah, but that's fur. If you shave it, they say it's black.
And how come they're that colour? It's not camouflage at all.
I heard it like protects them from like the sun or something. Or I don't know what.
No, it's like competitors. But like, that doesn't protect them, that doesn't blend in.
Honestly, the only videos of zebras on YouTube are them getting their heads ripped off. They get scared.
Search on what by zebras are spiked. Was it cheap?
I couldn't reveal this.
That one. What a great picture. It's supposedly scares the window reflection. I don't know why.
Curious, doesn't mention.
They run around and they probably don't want. I don't know.
Giraffe up there.
Oh!
See giraffe from up there.
We'll pass it.
Last week I had one right next to the car. Oh, you was here last week? No, I was in Africa.
Oh, okay. You should have skied to South Africa? South Africa?
What? No, I was in Shiva.
Was the lake?
He from Bejamish.
Yeah.
Yeah, they came to Asia.
Yeah.
So after was after? No, while they were in Philipsburg, we went to the Lion Cheetah Park where they had just been. Where you saw one right next to the car. Well, we also had the cheetahs.
Yeah, that's like the steak that has the cheetah.
Yeah, the cheetah. One of the guys had baby cheetah.
Oh yeah, we can't do it.
They raised them from babies.
What?
They raised them from babies. You see the one that's looking at us? That's not a real deer. It's a surveillance drone. It's from the Chinese government.
None of these are real, actually.
Are birds even real, bro?
Look at that one's nose. That rhino's Rhino's horns is bent forward.
Rhino's horns are made out of the same thing as your neck.
That's a lot of elephant skin.
No, the horns and the tusks is the same thing as your neck.
Isn't it the most respected material in the world?
Basically, yeah, because they're a lot of superstitious
One of the
people
kids
believe that.
is complaining his bottle is leaking and it's making the whole thing wet. What exactly?
What's the bottle? This is the bottle? Is it actually leaking?
Yes, correct.
Keep it up, mate. Keep it up, mate.
Paolo will keep it here forever. Those giraffes are like frozen in time.